I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering up the Motion Controller 3 and the drone, then immediately pair them via the DJI app. This links controls and calibrates inputs. Once done, confirm firmware versions and allow any updates. Mismatched firmware causes odd behavior. Make sure the controller battery reads full and keep the drone within a couple meters while pairing. You should also remove any gimbal locks and hold the controller in a comfortable grip that lets you reach the trigger and thumb wheel without strain. You now run calibration. Follow on-screen prompts and rotate the controller through each axis slowly so sensors register neutral positions. Once calibrated, configure button mappings and sensitivity, reduce stick sensitivity if motions feel jumpy, or add a small dead zone to filter tremor. Then practice the core inputs. Rotate the controller to yaw, tilt for pitch, and use the thumb wheel for fine adjustments. Once comfortable, rehearse follow and point of interest maneuvers at low altitude to build confident, repeatable responses. You finish by doing a cautious, short flight to validate controls and fail-safe operations. Make adjustments if the drone overcorrects or lags. Once satisfied, create and save custom profiles for cinematic versus agile flight so switching is instant. If the controller becomes unresponsive or drifts, first reboot the controller and drone, then rebind in the app. If problems persist, recalibrate the controller sensors and the drone IMU. Finally, always check for firmware patches that address control quirks before flying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.